Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel Bindumals Easy Speaking English. Today, let us learn how to improve handwriting. I will introduce looser handwriting today. Okay, good handwriting contribute to reading fluency because it activates visual perception of letters. Moreover, handwriting plays an important role in our lives, right? So, let me introduce first normal letters. In normal letters, actually, see, this is four-ruled book. I have taken four-ruled book. It is for beginners only. In four-ruled, we have to divide it into three parts. So first one, letters we can divide into three types. First one is upper zone. Upper zone always will be like this way. See, B, D, F, H, K, L and T letters are upper zone letters. And middle zone letters are A, E, C, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X and Z are middle zone letters. And lower zone G, I, J, P, Q, Y. These are lower zone letters. Why I introduced this one means few children, suppose children write sometimes like this way. Suppose A, B, C, D, E, F, G, they will actually G should write like this, but they write from here. It is wrong. That is what I have mentioned. Let us learn normal letters first in four-ruled book. These are the normal letters. And now let us learn lucid handwriting, how it is. Okay, small letters. Today I will introduce you small letters, how to write lucid book. I suggest this book. It belongs to PVR Academy of Handwriting and its author is Mr. P.V. Ramana Rao. Okay. Book for 1 month. You get very good handwriting. I give you guarantee for that. This book consists of different practice session, different pages of practice session. And the first it starts lines. Okay. So we have to start lines first. Here the line also, dotted lines are here. You have to, I'm not getting properly. We have to complete lines from first to last. All lines we have to complete straight lines without keeping up pen. Okay, and the next page you get this type of lines. You have to complete like this way. All dots only. You have to join all the dots. Actually, this also without taking hand from book. Right, and next we have to go for the next page. This type of symbols are there. This also how to complete like this. We have to join this one. And this one big rounds also. This all for practice session for getting good handwriting. And this page also, here see, if you listen, we can see curves, or small curves will be there. We have to trace the dots. Like this. Here also the same, all how to practice, and this one also practice. All pages you should practice. This is also an important page. This is the important page. Okay, you have to practice this one for making Q, capital Q. It helps. All those parts will help you. And this one, very important thing is this one. These two parts you have to get nicely. Okay. Like that. Now let us learn small letters. Now let me introduce capital letters too. Okay. Those who want to get looser handwriting can practice in this book, and if you want to purchase it, I have given in description. Remember one thing, without practice you won't get good handwriting. Okay, compulsory you have to practice it, then only we get good handwriting. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like this, please like it, share it and subscribe. Thank you so much.